Hey guys, wish I was coming at you looking cuter, but I'm not. Didn't sleep great after the storm. I don't know if I inserted those clips. Yeah, I did not get any sleep at all. Now I'm up here. I already took my niece back to her house, and this is the situation. So, not gonna do much talking today because I'm tired, but we're gonna do some cleaning. Done, looks great. Got it all vacuumed. I need to get batteries in those. They require some AAA. I'm gonna go look downstairs and see if I have any Dollar Tree ones. They each take 3 AAA, so I need 6. And still trying to figure out the decorations of this room. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I feel like you guys are already getting a sneak peek because this vlog may be up before I even do a reveal because I'm just not done. Haven't quite decided how I want to handle this wall back here or how I want to deal with this over here. I think I may go back and get a second one of those and then put them on opposite sides and then maybe center the lamp, or I'm gonna get new lamps because I thought that lamp was supposed to be bigger and it's not. That wall, we're doing photos, my daughter's favorite like photos, and they're all gonna have black frames, so, but we just need to get the photos printed basically. And actually, I'm gonna take the new quilt. Don't know if you guys saw this, I feel like I showed it, for Clue. I'll make it look fancy later, but for now I kind of wanted to put it in there. Yeah, so got the carpet all vacuumed. And actually I'm about to go downstairs and I'm gonna be shopping for some guest bedroom furniture, see if there's like any deals for Memorial Day. I didn't think that I would get to this room that fast, but it's really starting to bother me that both of the rooms are looking like a storage unit. So I feel like if I tackle this one, it may make me feel better. And you're probably thinking, why not do your craft room first? But I just haven't decided what furniture I want, and I'm not really in the mood to be building furniture from IKEA either. So I've just been putting it off. For whatever reason, I don't even want to think about the craft room right now. All right, this has been a really hard day for me. Makeup on under my eyes. I'm super tired. I'm sure it's coming across. I can't even get my voice above a normal. Oh, that's not gonna work. Like I was saying, I can't even like get my voice up. It's exhausting. I'm just really tired. I just went jogging. Horrible idea. But I've been looking forward to it so much. I wanted to do it yesterday so bad, but I had my niece since early in the morning, which we had a blast. I think I got some clips. I'm gonna take a shower, and then I think I just need to rest. I'm supposed to put up a video today, and I don't think it's gonna happen, y'all. Which is fine. Which is fine. I know a lot of y'all are very supportive and very very like always concerned and in a good way, not like, you know, just you're always in tune to my health and all of that. I appreciate so much, honestly. Like, you guys are really literally the only ones who like check in on me, or literally like a zero exaggeration, which is, you know, that's great. I mean, at least I have, you know, a support system. I'm really lucky. Okay, I'm a shower. Good morning. It's a rainy day, but that's not stopping me from heading out to Dollar Tree. Wow, these are really cute. Oh, darling. Wow, look at the little cute sailboats. cute. Thank you. Alright, I actually really want Starbucks, but I don't know where there is one over here. I've also been looking for the Starbucks color changing cups. I mean, okay, no, I haven't been looking for that because I haven't gone to Starbucks to find it, but I want the cups, I guess is what I'm saying. Alright, I got back from Dollar Tree and I already filmed the haul. Love this haul so much. I'm gonna go get the tripod. My daughter just went outside. She's been loving going out there. She sets up her laptop and she lounges out there forever. I need to go out there and sweep some more. I'm waiting for my vlog to upload so I have it right there. It's a rainy day. I think you guys already know that. And so I'm gonna try to make this like a really relaxing video for you guys. What was I gonna do? Oh, I was gonna get the tripod.